Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with PC. To connect your keyboard to PC, you can use Bluetooth connection, and in order to do it, take a look at the left side of your keyboard. Right here we've got this switch. Simply select Windows Android and then push this switch to Bluetooth. Your keyboard will automatically turn on. Now enter Bluetooth pairing mode. In order to do it, press and hold FN button and 1, 2 or 3. Pairing mode is now enabled. Now simply select your keyboard from the Bluetooth settings on your PC. If you want to connect it via cable, switch this button to wired connection. Now connect cable to USB-C port and connect second part of the cable to your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.